In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a simple website in Canva. We'll move from a blank idea to a live link you can share using Canva's built-in website tools. All you need is your browser open and your Canva account ready. Start by opening Canva in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right and click Create a Design. From the menu, choose Website. This takes you into Canva's website layout, which is designed to be simple and visual. You can pick a website template or start with a blank website. Templates are great if you want a head start on layout and design. A blank page is perfect if you already have a clear vision. Either way, you'll land on your home page. Click on any text to rewrite it. Swap images by dragging new ones in or using Canva's media library, and adjust colors so everything matches your style. If you see a button on the page, you can customize the label to make your call to action clear. Keep your fonts consistent and your spacing neat so the page feels polished and easy to read. Next, add more pages. At the bottom of the editor, click Add Page to create a new page instantly. You can also click Pages in the bottom right and then select Add Page if you prefer managing pages from that panel. Build out each page separately, just like your home page, so every page has the right text, images, and layout. Keep the design consistent across pages, so it feels like a cohesive site. Now link your buttons to the correct pages so visitors can navigate. Click a button, then click Link at the top right, and choose the page you want that button to open. Do this for every button that should move people between pages, like Home, About, or Contact. Double-check that each button points to the right destination to avoid broken navigation. When you're satisfied with your site, go to the top right and click Website. Then click Publish Website. Choose the free Canva domain option, which uses a canva.net site address. This is perfect for sharing quickly without any extra setup. Click Continue, then Publish. After a moment, click View Website to open your live site. From there, copy your link and share it wherever you need, on social media, in emails, or with your team. That's it. You just designed, linked, and published a website with Canva, all from your browser.